Well, now we're going to finish this up and have a look at it and see if there's any more touch-ups we can make. So as we can see here, I've already flipped the photo and kind of placed it where it needs to be. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and crop this photo. Let's crop. I'm sorry, let's pick the mouth. C for crop, and let's go ahead and bring this over. What I'm going to do is kind of line it up here, like so. So the borders and edges fit. This looks proper. There we go. Now, what we should do is maybe we should play with this mouth a little bit. Now, I've come in here and added a little photo edge burn here, but what we're going to do is we're going to take the eraser tool to this just a little bit, and maybe, let's get that back, step back just a little bit more. There we go. Let's get in here and just edge this out a little bit. There we go. There's a few more things you can do down here, if you wish. You can come in here and brush in a little more effects, a little more highlights to give it that stretched look. But for right now, we're going to hold with this. Just a quick tutorial to show you how to get into the process. And it doesn't look so bad, except for maybe this stem here. The stem probably needs to be replaced, or to actually remake a new one or get a better photo. I thought the photo that I had would be a great one, but I should have probably checked that before I actually got into this project. But all in all, this is about it. You know, a really simple way to, come up with a nice new idea. So play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.